Hey guys, Snipers227 here, back with another tutorial for the Building Blocks Love Editor. In this tutorial, we're going to go over loading external models. So to load an external model, you're going to click the external model, type right here, simply leave everything as is, and just hit create. Now over here you can see we're bombarded with a bunch of options. So first thing you want to do is we're going to fill out the file path field and hit browse to find our model. Right now we have DAE FBX support. We also have I'll write out .obj.object.ace.ply, and I think that's it, plus these two, but I just have to add them in here so then you could see them. So you could choose whatever model you want. I'm just going to choose DAE, see what we have. Sorry, Dropbox. And I'm going to select, it says M9R, but it's actually the HK. So you could either leave the name as is, the name you want to name it, or change it. I'm going to leave it. It's actually not the M, just be alarmed. Just, sorry. Really tired, sorry about that. So just so you know, it's not actually the M9. It's actually going to be an HK416 weapon. It's kind of like the M4. So once you got that loaded, you could see we have a bunch of checkboxes here. Pretty self-explanatory. So the mesh is grayed out because obviously we're going to load the mesh. Why would you not load the mesh? So that's selected. If your weapon has texture, you would hit texture and then browse, and you could choose your texture, but for now ours doesn't, so I'm not going to. If it has UV coordinates, obviously, to go along with the textures, if you want to load the normals and then obviously animations, you check those, but right now we're just going to load the mesh. And you just hit OK. Simply wait a couple of seconds for it to load and it will pop up, as you can see. So there's my HK416. You can see obviously the properties are here. You could adjust. So say this is too big for you, obviously in a map this would be too big, so you could scale it down to 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, and the selection's a little iffy. Then you could obviously translate it to, on the x-axis, you could translate 20 units or 23, or rotate it however you like. But yeah, that's basically the basics of how to add a external model into the Building Blocks Level Editor. Snipers227, and I am out.